Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has some interesting features and the drawing is this one. We start by creating these two cylinders, 50, 25, distance of 75. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch in this plane with X to the right, then 50 and 25. Distance of 75. Finish sketch, extrude, both at 50. You see here 50. Then we create a plane at 10 millimeters to apply this sketch. Plane starting from XY, XZ up to 10. Then a new sketch, we project the two circles and line. We keep pressed the left button of the mouse and we find the tangencies. I didn't catch that one, neither this. Okay, F7, and we apply tangent for both. Then offset 5, 5, an arc with center starting from here and connecting the two entities. Trim this, this. Okay. Now I apply again center arc from here to here. Okay. Then fillet of 5 between these two entities, other two, other here and here. This is radius 30. Fully constrained sketch. Finish and extrude this area the other direction on 30. We hide this and we have a nice volume. Next is this cut. Dimension is 10 millimeters and only half of this area. We select this face for a new sketch and we project all this area. F7, we connect these two midpoints. Finish sketch, extrude this area the other direction on 10 millimeters. Okay, the same on the other side. We select this face for a new sketch, we project this area, F7, we draw a short line right here and we apply the cut on this side. Finish sketch, extrude this the other direction, also 10 millimeters. Very good. Now we have to apply this fillet radius 5 here and here. We select this line and this line, keep the shift key pressed to select both, then fillet of 5. Okay. The two cylinders have holes 25 and 12. Hole, face, center and 25. Hole, face, center and 12. Okay, let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, select, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is absolutely the same. Cancel. We don't need to change the existing value. Good. Now we apply the material, steel carbon. We apply the general color, gunmetal antique, then select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by keeping the shift key on the keyboard pressed, and we apply titanium polished to that entities. Then we apply view, default IBL, default lights. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.